Jiku, the key is it's all about self-introspection for the Indian side now. This team is nothing short of talent or ability, and they have the set skill to really perform at the top level. Uh, it's just about their change in attitude. Mindset is the most important thing. They just need to keep the playing pitch, the opposition, everybody out of the equation. It's all about believing in what they can do. As I mentioned earlier, the key to this test match is going to be the mindset. How they need to make a comeback, because if India is not going to draw score, even in the second test match, it's going to be tough from there on. Just to add a little bit of spice to this, I've been following the county scores in the last round. There have been in excess of 400 and 500s being scored on a regular basis. That means the sun has been beating down pretty harsh. We've seen, pitches more turning out to be batter friendly. That definitely is a added bonus for the Indian side. On the flip side of it, how will this Indian team look at a turnaround, and what will they be able to do? Get those 20 Englishmen out will be the question. Yes, the biggest thing would be the change in attitude, mindset, and taking pride in playing for the country. There's no bigger pedestal or a platform for you to come out and represent your country. So I think that is something these current young crop of Indian players have to realize. And certainly, yes, they would have had good closed-door meetings, and no better than somebody like Gautam Gambhir to have addressed this issue with the boys. And certainly, yes, a welcome break, and should be a good test match in offering. And certainly, India should look at having a good turnaround in this second test match.